ចាសួស្តីបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមាន beef jerky លក់ណាសាច់គោងៀតខ្មែរយើងចាហើយ flavor គឺជា spicy ណាមិនសូវ spicy ប្រហែលទេ it's mild towards spicy side ហើយ it's homemade ហើយខ្ញុំលក់មួយកញ្ចប់$5.99 សេនក្នុងមួយកញ្ចប់ហ្នឹងមានចំណុះវា2 ounce ចាហើយខ្ញុំក៏មានបោះដុំដែរសម្រាប់អ្នកមាន business ខ្ញុំបោះដុំជា wholesale ចាតម្លៃគួរសមហើយខ្ញុំ free shipping ឲ្យបើសិនណា order 24ថងឡើងណាចាអ្នកសំទោសអ្នកត្រូវការយកទៅលក់បន្តហ្នឹងដូចជា convenience store gas station or grocery store or if you do have an online store of course you can also order this from me and resell it and I will give you a good price and also free shipping if you order 24 bags or over. For a regular customer, of course, I'm sorry, you have to pay for shipping. Yes, and the shipping costs you $8 flat fee. It can fit up to 1 pound. And those 1 pound is only 8 bags, guys. So I cannot do like a bulk. ក្នុងមួយថង់ធំដាក់1 pound អត់បានទេខ្ញុំត្រូវលេខថង់តូចខ្ញុំហ្នឹងណាខ្ញុំអត់លក់ជាមួយថង់1 pound ទេណាខ្ញុំលក់មួយថង់2 ounce ចា so if you want to buy just one bag ហ្នឹង2 ounce ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំដាក់ regular envelope ឲ្យនឹងក៏បានដែរណា maybe cost you it's under $1 for first class and it take about 4 to 5 days to get to your house. But if you want a flat rate, priority meal, it take 2 days to get there. I will be making a new batch this upcoming week. So just place your order online through thearaspicykitchen.com or follow me on my Facebook. It's under the same name, Theara Spicy Kitchen. And of course, you can comment below in this YouTube. And I will put the information under the description box so you can just read through and follow or how to make this. And I do have the old video នៅក្នុងវីដេអូចាស់ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបានអត្ថាធិប្បាយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូចាស់ទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំសរសេរជា ingredient ដាក់នៅលើ screen ហ្នឹងណាថាដាក់អីចឹងទៅនេះគឺជា Cambodian Spicy Beef Jerky ចាហើយបងប្អូនអាច follow ធ្វើតាមបានបើមិនចង់ទេអាចទទួលទិញខ្ញុំក៏បានដែរចាខ្ញុំលក់ជូនហើយនឹងផ្ញើជូន but you have to pay for your own shipping. Okay, thanks you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video. It's going to be a cooking video that I promise you guys the coconut salty crab ចាឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំ upload នេះសិនណាហើយ upload ហើយចាំមើលយប់នេះឬមួយថ្ងៃស្អែកខ្ញុំនឹង upload cooking videoចាហើយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណច្រើនចំពោះបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូនេះហើយសូមកុំភ្លេចចុច subscribe ទៅ YouTube របស់នាងខ្ញុំដើម្បីបានទស្សនាវីដេអូថ្មីៗទៀត or call me at 985 262 3432 Thank you